Tanya with NV Property Management. In today's video, we're going to talk about how investors should deal with maintenance issues in their rental properties. Whether you're managing your rental property yourself or you've hired a professional Northern Utah property manager to handle your investment for you, handling maintenance requests and repairs requires a streamlined process. You need the ability to assess the problem, determine what's necessary to repair the issue, and work with the best, most affordable vendors in the area. Today I'm going to talk about the top 3 steps to take when dealing with your rental property maintenance issues. All right, number 1 is needs versus wants. First, you want to assess whether this is a need or a tenant want. At NV, when we get Northern Utah maintenance requests at our rental properties, the first thing we try to determine is whether it's an actual property need or a tenant want. If it's the tenant want, the repairs are often not necessary. But if the request is something that will add value to the property, it may be something that you should consider. But most importantly, you want to take care of the property needs first. Number 2, vendors. Second, you'll want to schedule your maintenance with a qualified vendor. Once you've determined that a repair needs to take place at the property, send out a qualified vendor to complete the work. It's always a good idea to make a list of your top vendors in every area. For example, HVAC, handyman, electrical, or plumbing. And always be sure to have 2 to 3 to choose from. There's nothing worse than having only one go-to vendor you work with that's too busy to get to your rental property in a timely manner. Look for a professional who is licensed and insured and qualified to do the repair for you. Whether it's a plumber, an electrician, or a contractor, you want an expert who can do outstanding work quickly and cost-effectively. Making sure the repairs are done properly means you won't be applying a band-aid to the problem that will only turn into a larger problem in the future. Number 3 is tenant relations. Once the repair is done, follow up with your tenant. Make sure everything went smoothly on their end. This will help you maintain customer relationships and it helps with quality control. You want to know the vendor did the repair properly. The most important piece of advice on a Northern Utah rental property maintenance from a property manager and investor's perspective is this: stay on top of the little things. Those little things cost money, but you'll add value to the property and you'll prevent major expenses and larger repairs in the future. It's never a good idea to defer maintenance that could have been easily fixed at the beginning, only to have it turn into a much bigger problem later. Lastly, I want to share with you some great news at NV Property Management. We are now expanding our maintenance division and offering home maintenance and repairs for retail customers. Our professional handyman services include everything from plumbing, small electrical, carpentry, and much, much more. With easy online booking and professional services, you can have your home or rental property repairs completed in no time. To schedule an appointment, visit our website at nvrepair.com or give us a call at 801-770-4862. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to receive more valuable information about your investment properties. If you have any questions about property management or what we can do to help you increase your return on your investment, please give us a call at 801-337-4337 or visit our website at nvpm.com. That's envypm.com. Thanks for watching, you guys. We'll see you next time.